Hi guys, today we're going to do a quick unboxing of a Meraki MS120-48LP LAN switch. First thing you want to do is in the overall box that this came in, make sure you find this cloth bag. This contains your power cord. A lot of times this will get thrown away with the packing material. So just make sure you set that aside for now. Like most Meraki equipment, the packaging is very user friendly. There's no seals to break, nothing to cut your hand on. And again, this is a LAN switch, so there's really not much to the packaging. You got your bag of different screw options here. It's very user-friendly again. It comes with pretty much everything you could ever need, depending on what kind of rack or cabinet or custom mount you have. You can see here it comes with the clips. So if you have one of those cabinets or racks that need the clip on the back side, it already includes those. It comes with a couple different sizes, a couple different screws. You can see here the screws, they have a Phillips head on them, but they're actually thumb screws, so you can at least get them mostly the way in by hand. That's a pretty nice feature. I'm just trying to mount it with one person and trying to hold the screwdriver at the same time. We'll just go ahead and get this out of the box. Again, it's just a LAN switch, so it's pretty basic here. You got all your different ports. It's got PoE here above each section here. You got all your different port numbers. So 47, 48. Your different LEDs. This particular model has 4 SFP slots. And then another nice feature of the Meraki is the brackets are part of the actual face of the unit. So there's no extra bracket to try to find or screw on there. Or somebody strips the screws off trying to mount it on there. It's already ready to go right out of the box. Again, it's got very user-friendly screws. You can just by hand get them most of the way in there. Just tighten up with the screwdriver. The brackets are pre-attached. I mean, they're actually part of the unit. So typical Meraki, very user-friendly. And that's it. It's just a LAN switch, not much to it. Thanks.